This is a 2006 Dodge SRT-10. This has the same engine as the Dodge Viper. It's made 3 years. This is the last year of production, 2006, and there's the engine. Amazing. This is an upgraded hood that the owner put on. It's fiberglass. Very nice. "22-inch wheels." Put in that new linkage there. It's 6-speed. Tonneau cover here. Very nice. Fiberglass. And I asked the owner, and he said he didn't mind if I got his license plate. And it's so appropriate. Got V10 with this exhaust man. That was an add-on there. Painted the headlights in here, the surrounds. New intake there. Viper radiator cap. You can tell that radiator means business there. And condenser air in front. Let's see if I can get the hood. Who's got the Viper there? There's the vents. What did you say the horsepower was after your mods?
476 at the wheels,
476.
523 foot-pounds.
Wow. 476 at the wheels, 523 foot-pounds. Wow. Well, great truck.
Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.